My name's Leslie Reichert and I'm the cleaning coach. You can visit my website, greencleaningcoach.com, for more tips and tricks just like this. Today we're going to be working on an espresso maker. We want to clean out the inside of it so the mineral deposits don't end up in your coffee. And what you're going to do is you're going to start off with white vinegar and you're going to pour it right into the water reservoir. So we're just going to use standard distilled white vinegar and we're going to fill it up as if we're going to make about 4 cups of espresso. You're going to put the lid back on and you're going to start it up and heat it. And what you want to do is you want to have the coffee come right through. And actually, if you were going to use your filter and everything, you want to put that all together so the vinegar can work on all the different pieces of the espresso maker. And even in the pot once it comes through. Now once the water goes through, the vinegar goes through the espresso maker, you're going to see a lot of buildup. So the water is going to probably be like almost a dark brown, depending on how often you clean it. The other thing you want to do is you do want to make the vinegar go through the steam mechanism that makes the foaming milk, because there too it fills up. And it gets all the mineral deposits in there and everything left over from the milk. So you've got the vinegar acting almost as a disinfectant for the milk and all the byproducts that are in there, the water, and that's going to take care of that. Then what I like to do is you run water through the same system 3 to 4 times. You want to clean out the entire system, and don't forget to run the steam right through this maker. And then you want to take the different pieces and put these in the dishwasher and clean them all off. So it's very simple. The vinegar will work really well for you. Some of the coffee makers for the very expensive espresso makers are telling people not to use vinegar or lemon juice. People are finding that it's really not cleaning it out. I recommend using filtered water when you're making your espresso. They say not to bother doing that, but it really can make a difference in the buildup that you have, especially if you have hard water. So those are some simple things you can do to clean out your espresso maker. Just white vinegar, lemon juice if you don't have it, and that'll keep everything clean and running perfectly for you, so you can have a great cup of coffee. My name's Leslie Reichert and I'm the cleaning coach. You can visit me at greencleaningcoach.com, and I wish you happy cleaning.